What's up everyone? You will love what I'll bring you in this video because this is big. Look at these awesome QR codes. They are all scannable and you can try it. Just go ahead. These QR codes are all generated using artificial intelligence and controlled stable diffusion. Well, this is art. They are awesome and they are useful and I'm going to tell you why. This is a big utility for you as a person, as a business person, or as a content creator. You can use these beautiful QR codes to promote your stuff. The usual QR codes, of course, they are useful, but they are so bored when compared with these ones. Imagine the use case for this. You can print it and put it in your city, you can use stickers with it, and you can even put it in your website, because I am sure that people will scan it just because they are awesome. And imagine other use cases. You can promote your content, you can promote your products, your company, and even you can put it in your CV to promote your projects. People will scan it because it caught their attention. That's why if somehow you need this, just start using it. Because it will call the people's attention while it is a trend. And for that, in this video, I'm going to show you how can you make one. No code needed. You can have your first one in a couple of minutes. Let's go. So here is where you can create your art in QR codes using Stable Diffusion without any code. This is one of the examples that I made. This QR code is scannable for the channel page. Another QR code example that I've done is this one, which I prompt the sky view of a highly aesthetic ancient Asian town in a green forest. And it seems pretty cool. I can show you a better image. So in this image you can see clearly that we have an ancient Asian town in the bottom of the image within a forest. Another example was this. This was inspired in caves and I used one of the examples that they have here. In this page, if you scroll down, you can see here a couple of examples of the prompt, the negative prompt, guidance scale, and other arguments that are used to create QR codes. And here I can simply explain you in this empty example. So to start, the first thing you need is a URL for your content. You can insert it here, or if you already have a QR code image, you can upload that here. Then you have the prompt, where you put your guidelines to generate an image inside your QR code, and you can write what you want here. Why the negative prompts are guidelines that you want to avoid to be used in your image. We have a couple of examples as low quality and blurry, or not safe for work. Another important aspect are the parameters. The parameters will influence not only the art generated, but also the functionality of your QR code. Anyway, you should try it and fine-tune your art with it. Now I will demonstrate how to generate a QR code. So I will go to my channel and copy the URL and I will paste it here. The next thing you want to do is to give a prompt. And in this case, I will write a prompt of a sky view of a futuristic city with a night sky and shiny stars. Now you just need to press the run button and this might take a while to be generated. However, this one was pretty fast and I think we have a pretty nice QR code here. Let me grab it and show you in full screen. Now we need to do one more thing, which is to test it. And for that, let me grab my phone and hit the recording. And now let me read this beauty. And yeah, it is working. So this is how you create art in QR codes. Really pretty and awesome art. Now, all you need to do is to use your creativity so you can use some really good prompts to generate beautiful QR codes. And you have the URL for this website in the comments. If you'd like to watch the upcoming Stable Diffusion videos in the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, cheers, bye.